Hello and good day mga kahabi. The storm have passed by and the sun is shining back. As you can see, our koi are healthy, lively and very active. And if you notice that the water is crystal clear, that is because it is very important to maintain water quality, especially we are feeding them even if it is raining. For our weekly maintenance, even if it is raining yesterday, we still clean our pond by removing dirt and poop in the first chamber or settlement chamber and adding new water to compensate for the lost water. After cleaning, we did add probiotics directly to our pond to proliferate good bacteria. Again, I am not promoting any brand, but I do suggest to use different brand and assess what works for you. For our goldfish, they are also doing well, healthy, active, and also very lively. I think that's it mga kahabi, just a short update to our fish after the storm. Once again, disclaimer, this is my practice based on my experience. But if you do suggest something to improve it, feel free to comment down below. And we are happy to try it. And if you are new to my channel, please support it by clicking the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified to my upcoming videos. And for our next video, we will be sharing how we use the district water or the water directly from the faucet. So thank you, keep safe and happy fish keeping.